Hey my friends, this is Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about the number one habit that will make you a millionaire. If you understand how important this is, then you will be able to apply it in your life. Look, this habit has helped me so much that it is the sole reason why I made my first $1 million in my 20s. So please listen up. Now before I share this secret habit with you, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button, because by the time I'm done with this video, you will be so inspired and motivated that you will get up out of your chair or wherever you are and you will begin to take action. So here I come. So the number one habit that will make you wealthy is to give far more than you take. What I'm basically saying is that whenever you meet people, you don't ask the question, what can I get out of them? Instead, you ask the question, what can I give unto them? How can I add more value? How can I help more people? How can I contribute to the greater good of the people I'm interacting with? When I was a young man, I used to laugh at people who volunteered. I thought they were wasting their time. And if they were going to work, they might as well work for money. But then when I looked at my bank account, I realized that I was always broke. How did I fix my broken mindset? Once I realized that I had to give more than I get, I was able to get more so that I can give. And once I changed that mentality, I was able to change my reality. Now let me show you how this applies to every area of your life. When you go to the gym, you might be thinking, I gotta go do my workout. I need that equipment. I hope no one is taking it. You're thinking about getting. But instead, when you go to the gym, you need to think about, how can I give? How can I make sure that I help as many people as I can around me? That if someone needs a spot, I'll be able to assist them. That if someone needed advice, I will be able to guide them. You see, if you change your way of thinking, you will change your way of living. Or if you go to church or school and you ask, what can the teacher or preacher teach me? You should be thinking, what can I give to the congregation? What can I give to my classmates? What can I give to my teacher or my preacher that will make them be the best version of themselves? Or let's say you want some loving and you go to your spouse, and instead of asking and demanding them to give you what you want, imagine if you gave them what they want. Instead of finding a way to get from them, imagine finding a way to give to them and naturally getting what you want in return. Or maybe your business or your employer, instead of saying, what is this job gonna do for me? Or what is this customer gonna do for me? I want you to ask, what can I give to this job? What can I give to this customer? How can I add more value to more people in less time? So instead of going out about the world asking, what can they do for me? I want you to start asking, what can I do for them? How can I help people? How can I serve humanity? How can I contribute on a greater scale? Here's the truth, if you change your way of giving, God will change the way you're living. You will be blessed and you will be able to give much more to the people who need you the most. And this is the law of sowing and reaping. If you give more than you take, you'll be able to get far more so that you can give. Be able to plant more seeds if you want to continue to grow more trees. Be able to contribute more to others more than others can contribute unto you. If you do more than you're paid to do, you'll get paid far more than you do. Remember, the majority of people don't think like this, but that's also the same reason why they lack success. That's also the same reason why they lack the happiness that they should have in their life. So there you go, my friends. Be able to give far more than you take. That's the secret law of manifestation. That's the secret law of blessing. That's the secret law of achieving wealth at the highest level. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to type rich in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and please share this video with someone who really needs it. Again, this is Aldie. I look forward to watching you become the greatest version of who you knew you were meant to be. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.